this video, I will show you how to start your own faceless YouTube automation channel without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free AI tools. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step. I'm gonna share with you my method. I already have a faceless YouTube channel, as you can see, and this channel in the last 90 days made $4,810 just uploading easy and simple faceless YouTube videos. And I'm gonna share with you my method, and as you can see, this channel is making up to $200 per day, $133, even $266. That's really a lot of money. That's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. So I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel over here. Okay, uploading easy and simple videos about training, giving advice for people who want to lose belly fat, who want to increase push-ups, as you can see, about training, tutorial about training, and so on. Okay, and as you can see, if we click over here on view, this channel has 5 million subscribers. They are not showing their face in those videos, as you can see, showing easy videos, simple, as you can see. Okay, you don't need to show your face or use your voice on those videos, and I will show you how you can create those videos step by step. If we click over here and if we get the last 13 days, okay, let's see, this channel has got 10 million views in the last 13 days, uploading just 4 videos. Okay, of course this channel is making a lot of money per month. Okay, uploading those, because those videos getting a million of views. Look at this one, for example, 29 million views. Okay, it was uploaded 2 years ago and still getting views. That's why that YouTube is really a profitable and great business you can start. Okay, you look at these videos, for example, this one almost 20 million views 4 years ago, and it's still getting views, still making money. That's the best business online you can start. Okay, so for example, okay, let's choose for example this topic over here, 14 tips to lose belly fat. Okay, what you will do to make like this video is, it's easy and simple. What you will do is you will go to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. Let me delete this. I already use ChatGPT. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. I'm using just the free version. Okay, so you can use just free version. Click over here and ask ChatGPT, make an engaging YouTube script about how to lose belly fat. So let me see. Okay, how to lose belly fat. Yes, let's go to ChatGPT. Click over here. Here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. What you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay, so this is your title. Okay, let me see. Okay, in like your best apps and ultimate guide to lose belly fat. Introduction. This is your introduction. This is the hook. Okay, before we get into the 91, make sure, okay, subscribe. Why belly fat matter? Okay, it will start from here. Okay, so what you will do, I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys. I don't want to make this video too much long. So what you will do now is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. You can use your own voiceover. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go to Google search for this website, search for Play HT. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and you can use it for free. Then after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so let me delete this. You should have an account like this one. Click over here, okay, on change voice. Choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. Okay, so they have different voiceovers, as you can see.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott,
from British.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it just looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer.
You can see they have American voiceovers, British voiceovers, Australian voiceovers, Canadian voiceovers. Choose which one you want, which one you like to use. Okay, so for example, I already choose this one. Then put your YouTube script here like this, and click over here on generate speech. Okay, so we just need to wait a few seconds, and your voiceover will be ready. Okay, what you will do next is you will turn this voiceover into a YouTube video, and I will show you how you can do it easy and simple. So you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. Here you go, it's ready.
You all know that excess belly fat is not just about looking good. It's also about feeling good and staying healthy. That visceral fat around your midsection has been linked to various health.
Here you go. Click over here, okay? Click on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. What you will do next is you will go to Canva, okay? Go to Google, search for Canva. We will use Canva to make the video. Search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your page, and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on a video. You will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file like this, okay, and upload your voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover over here. Click on open. Your voiceover should be over here. Okay, I will upload it again. Okay, let me see. Open, and here you go. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be in this page over here. Click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. So this voiceover is short, so let's go to ChatGPT, copy next part. So let's add this one, copy. I will go to this website again. I will record this part to make the video a little long. Generate speech. And you just need to wait a few seconds and your voiceover will be recorded. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Okay, let's wait. Here you go. Click on download. Then let's go back to Canva. Click on upload file again. Okay, let me see. But first, okay, this one. Okay, this is the second one. Okay. Click on your voiceover again. Your voiceover will be over here. Click. Go to the in the end of your first voiceover, for example. Click here and add this second voiceover like this. Okay. So what you will do next? Go to the first page, click between those two pages on add transition. Choose which transition you want to add between your videos. So for example, I will choose this one, make it to 0.3, apply between all page. Okay, and here you go. Click on the first page, click on elements, click on the search for belly fat. Okay, like this, click on videos, and here you go. Okay, so let me see. I will add, for example, this one. So just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background. You can, okay, if you click here, you can swipe, keep clicking and swipe left or swipe right, and you can make it short or long. So make it short, click on the next page, add different videos. Okay, you will add this one. So just click on the video, use the same method, click on the next page. I will click on this one over here about belly fat, make it like this. Next page, scroll down, I will add this one over here like this. Next page, I will click on this one over here like this. As you can see, it's easy and simple to make like those videos. So let's see, let's search. I will add this one over here. Then I will make it short. Click on the next page, and here you go. You just created your faceless YouTube video. Okay, so now let's check this video, guys. Let me see. Okay, and let me know your comments and your opinion. Let me know your opinion in the comments about this video.
You all know that excess belly fat is not just about looking good. It's also about feeling good and staying healthy. That visceral fat around your midsection has been linked to various health issues, and getting rid of it can do wonders for your overall well-being. But first, let's dispel a common myth. Crunches alone won't cut it. Spot reduction is a fitness fairy tale. Instead, we need a holistic approach to target that belly fat from all angles.
And here you go. As you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video using Canva and free AI voiceover. And for you, give it time, you can make an engaging and professional video just by using Canva. I just show you the idea. If you give it time, you can make an engaging and professional videos. Okay, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice, and you can make like those videos over here that are getting a million of views and making a lot of money for this channel. Okay, start making like those videos. So for example, like this one, what happens after 13 days of cold shower. It's easy to make like this one. Okay, those videos are easy and simple to make. I'm getting a million of views, as you can see. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. After you finish editing your video, click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. You can also use ChatGPT to create YouTube title, YouTube description, and you can use Canva to create YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let me show you. So you can start with $0. You don't need to invest any money. Okay, if you don't have money, you can start. Even if you don't have money, you just need to take action and keep improving and be consistent on YouTube if you want to succeed. Okay, as you can see, you will find a bunch of thumbnails here that you can just make few changes and add those thumbnails to your YouTube video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.